Hi friends, so today what we're going to make is an apple volcano, a little bit of a science experiment. So you can take any kind of apple you want. I happen to have a Granny Smith apple in my fridge. Doesn't really matter the kind of apple. We're going to core it just like this. I thought I had a corer, I do not, so what I used instead was a melon baller. You can use a knife, you can use a spoon, but this is a part that a grown-up should help you with, especially if you're going to use a corer because it can be a little bit sharp. The melon baller is not too bad, but I still suggest you have a grown-up help you. So now that you have your apple cored, and you're going to core it almost to the bottom, not all the way. You want to make sure you leave a bottom to it. So once you're done with that, you're going to take some baking soda and we're going to fill the apple about halfway with the baking soda. You can use a measuring cup if you want. You don't have to. I clearly did not. And then you're going to fill it about halfway. I did it a little bit more than halfway, but you really want to do halfway for this to work. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it into a bowl and a pan, a cookie sheet, anything to catch the mess, because it's going to make a mess. If you're going to use food coloring, now would be the time to put it in, put a couple drops in, and we're going to see what happens. Let's see. It makes a really cool volcano. And that's it. That's how you make an apple volcano. Kind of like making a regular volcano, but a little bit more fun. And that's all there is to it. Have a great day.